Hi, this is Gael, and today I'm going to tell you about OceanRobots.jl. This is a package to simulate and ingest data collected in the ocean by autonomous, remotely operated or manned vehicles. The package simulates robots with three-dimensional navigation and sampling capabilities. It can also ingest real data collected in the field by actual ocean robots, which enables effective model data combination workflows. Today, I'm going to give you the flavor of what the package does, and I'm hoping to see you at the poster to tell you more about this. This depiction is a simulated robot which passively follows ocean currents in 3 dimensions. The simulation was done with the individual displacements, the JL package to compute the trajectory, and the robot collects data along the way of temperature and salinity profiles, which are shown on the right-hand side. So as you see, the robot goes and follows the Gulf Stream path, and then sort of veers east and then south. Along the way, it goes from 45-meter depths to somewhat upward and then back down. And you're seeing a few signal cycles of temperature and salinity here. Here is another example. In this case, an animation of real data collected in the field by actual so-called surface drifters. These are quasi two-dimensional and stay near the surface as they have some floatability. And you see that you should maybe see that they're following ocean currents somewhere. These were ingested by the package, and now here is a version of the same kind of data, but simulated with, again, individual displacements.jl for the computational trajectories. There's a lot more because they are cheap to put in a virtual environment, much easier than in the real ocean, of course. Here are some of the potential applications of this package and planned extensions as well. So I'm going to tell you more about this at the poster if you come and visit. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.